At Harvard Sleep Laboratories, scientists discovered something unusual, a hidden window inside the night. A moment when your brain quietly begins to cleanse itself, not with medication, not with effort, but through a natural, deeply intelligent rhythm. It's called autophagy, the body's built-in system for cellular renewal, mental clarity, and deep repair. If you follow this 7-minute breath ritual before sleep tonight, the difference may surprise you. Tomorrow morning, your head may feel lighter, your thoughts more orderly, your sleep deeper. That clouded, foggy feeling you've come to accept as normal, it may already begin to fade. Most people feel a shift after the very first night. By day 3, mornings become gentler. By week 1, you begin to feel younger. Not in years, but in clarity, calm, and inner steadiness. And you will feel this for yourself soon. But before we begin, there is something important to understand. Sleep is not just rest. Sleep is restoration. Sleep is medicine. And deep within sleep, your brain holds a secret cleansing system, one that won a Nobel Prize in 2016, but has been quietly working inside you your entire life. Long before machines measured it, monks lived it. Through breath, a gentle nightly rhythm to awaken the body's own healing current. Tonight you will learn that rhythm. It is simple, gentle, and profoundly effective. What the ancients felt through intuition, science now confirms with precision. You will learn the steps in just a moment. But first, let us understand what happens when this system stays asleep. You lie down, but your mind stays awake. A heaviness in the forehead, a buzzing behind the eyes, a tightness in the breath. Thoughts swirl, not loudly, but constantly, like too many browser tabs open at once. You sleep, but not fully. A restless, uneasy sleep. And when you wake, your body may be still, but your mind feels slow, clouded, as if wrapped in a light morning fog. Focus is scattered, mood is tender, energy rises late. You assume the problem is simple. I didn't sleep enough. But the truth is deeper. Your brain did not cleanse itself during the night. The river meant to carry away waste barely flowed. And when that nightly cleansing slows, inflammation rises. Cognitive fog thickens. Mood swings more easily. Aging accelerates quietly. This isn't weakness. This isn't a flaw in character. This is your body waiting for a signal. A signal it used to know and that you can now reawaken. Harvard research shows autophagy reaches its peak during the first cycle of deep sleep. Stanford sleep studies confirm slow, rhythmic breath before bed activates the vagus nerve, quiets the mind, and prepares the body for repair. And at MIT, scientists found that long exhalations increase heart rate variability, the signal your nervous system uses to enter healing mode. The science is clear. But centuries before machines tracked heart rhythms, ancient yogis already practiced this breath. Science explains the mechanism. The mystics mastered the experience. Tonight's ritual brings them together, wisdom from the past, measured by today. Just one habit, slow breathing before sleep, creates 3 measurable effects. First, it activates your parasympathetic system. This is the rest and repair state. The body stops bracing and begins to heal. Second, it increases heart rate variability, HRV. Higher HRV equals stronger resilience and repair capacity. Third, it boosts the movement of cerebrospinal fluid, the inner river that clears waste from brain cells while you sleep. One breath, one signal, one shift. Slow inhale opens the door. Long exhale activates cleansing. Your body remembers this rhythm. It only asks you to return. Please sit or lie down before you begin. Do not practice this while driving, walking, or near water. If you feel lightheaded, stop and breathe naturally. Comfort is not a distraction. It is the signal that your body is listening. Welcome to the 7-minute Autophagy Ritual. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepare the body. Close your eyes. Soften your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Relax your abdomen. Place one hand on your chest, one on your lower belly. Feel where the breath moves. Gently allow the belly to rise. Step 2. The breath pattern. Inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold softly for a moment, not forced, just stillness. Exhale through the mouth for a count of 6. Smooth, quiet, long. Continue this rhythm. 4 in, 6 out. Let each exhale lengthen your calm. Let each breath be a message. I am ready to repair. Step 3. The stillness gap. After every 3 breaths, pause briefly. Not as effort, but as invitation. Feel the body begin to rest. Feel the space inside the breath. This gap is where your system reboots itself. Step 4. Inner visualization. Imagine a soft golden light at the center of your forehead. On each exhale, let this light gently flow downward, along the spine, through the chest, into the belly, like warm sunlight clearing dust. Where your attention flows, your healing follows. Step 5. Closing the ritual. Take one final slow inhale. Hold gently. Then exhale with a quiet sigh. Whisper softly inside, I am ready for deep rest. The ritual is complete. Night 1 to 3. You wake lighter. The fog thins. Sleep feels more complete. Week 1. Energy rises earlier. Focus becomes easier. Your mood steadies. Others notice it too. Week 2 to 4. Autophagy deepens. Inflammation eases. Clarity sharpens. You feel younger, not in age, but in presence. After 1 month, night becomes your healing space. Sleep becomes your quiet doctor. You wake clear, calm, restored, and ready. Begin tonight. Then come back tomorrow and share what you felt. Comment. Day 1, I did. Let's create a quiet wave of restoration across time zones, across cultures, through one breath. Rest well tonight. Your body remembers the way home.